Configure trade services with tax and ledger mapping. Service management begins in the Trade Masters module to define non-inventory operational costs. The Services menu centralizes all specialized charges required for trade logistics and terminal handling. The Service Registry displays existing categorized services and their current administrative approval status with functionality of adding new records. The service name identifies the specific service offered, such as KPC throughput fees, for financial tracking. Restrict service to default vendor ensures this specific cost is only linked to authorized partners. Tax calculation determines if the service fee is inclusive or exclusive of statutory levies. Tax group and WHT tax applies the specific VAT rate WHT rate required for compliance with regional revenue authorities. General ledger mapping automates the accounting flow by directing fees to the depot handling account. Transaction allowed after sales controls if service costs can be posted after primary invoicing. Transaction without invoice enables the system to recognize service expenses before a formal bill arrives. The description field captures granular details regarding pipeline transfer fees and specific terminal locations. Submitting the record validates the service parameters and integrates the new fee into the trade workflow. This unified service profile ensures accurate cost recovery and automated financial reporting across all trade operations. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.